What's going on, everyone? This is Rich. Before I do dive into today's giveaway, I want to say I hope everyone is having a phenomenal day today because we're bringing you a brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max giveaway. But before I do a brand new giveaway in today's video, I will be announcing the previous giveaway winners of my last giveaway here. Now, a lot of y'all do want the best chances of winning my giveaways, and of course, I want everyone to succeed in getting a new iPhone for free, but a lot of y'all do want that 10x bonus chance. To do that, all you have to do is share this on Twitter and Facebook by hitting the share button on YouTube or posting the URL of my video on different platforms, texting it, or telling your friends and family about this amazing giveaway that we're doing on this channel here. That's pretty much it. Then I'll be rewarding you with an extra bonus chance to winning this giveaway here. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and announce the previous giveaway winners of our last contest here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the URL of the video. I'm going to go ahead and click fetch, then continue. We have over 127 comments here. Pick a winner, and the winner is Bun Pan. So his reasoning is really want a phone. I don't have a good phone for gaming use. I want to say congrats to Bun Pan for winning this giveaway, and for everyone else, if you do want to join today's giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with post notifications, and leave in the comments down below why you want a brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. And let's get the hashtag #RichGang in the chat because that's what we're all about. We're always plugging viewers and making sure that they get a brand new iPhone for free here. So that's pretty much it to win this brand new iPhone. Anyway, I'll talk to you later in the next video. Peace out.